Welcome to CodTech IT Solutions. Experience cutting-edge technology solutions tailored to your needs. Let's innovate and grow together in the digital world. About company. CodTech IT Solutions offers comprehensive IT services and consulting tailored specifically for startup companies, providing expert guidance and support to navigate technological challenges. With a focus on innovation and efficiency, we empower new businesses to thrive in the digital landscape. The process. Unlock programming language training by following a simple process. Process 1. To obtain certification, you must successfully complete each module of the training program. This ensures a comprehensive understanding of the subject matter. Process 2. Attendance and completion of assignments are mandatory following the completion of each module. This ensures active engagement and reinforces learning. Process 3. Upon completion of all modules and assignments, participation in a major project is required. This project serves as a culmination of your learning experience. Why spend your time on routine tasks when you could be putting your skills to use in our knowledge internship? Let's turn idle time into a valuable opportunity for growth and innovation together. Comment internship for link.